down, you've got to be more thoughtful.
Jaypaw, great star clan, you're becoming quite a powerful. Sunrise, moon high, they're always on my back. I don't know why I try, it's not like they would ever cut me any slack. You're far too small, you see, well actually I don't. I just want to be free, I guarantee I'll show them that I'm not a joke.
Jaypaw, I know it's hard to
I'm blind, but I wish I was deaf right now.
Jaypaw, we can relate.
I think I have some blueberries with your name on them.
Jaypaw, we know what's best.
You keep saying that, but I don't think you know what it means.
Jaypaw, do what we suggest.
On second thought, I'm going to eat those berries. Moonrise, sun high, they're always at my side. I can't step out of line, I am confined to match them stride by stride. I'm about to fall, I don't know how long I can last. I'm about to tell them all to heed my call. They can come and kiss my fur.
Jaypaw.
Jaypaw, you're being pessimistic.
Wow, big word, don't hurt yourself.
Jaypaw, your goals are
I
unrealistic.
literally think it would be impossible to care less.
Jaypaw, your destiny's in
La
front
la
of
la
you.
la la, I can't hear you.
Jaypaw, that's just downright
Good.
rude.
Alright, enough. My paws are tied. I draw the line. Looks like I am denied a say in my grand design. I'll show you all what it is you cannot see. Because the only one who's not blind here is me. Yeah, think of that one next time. And with that, I am out of here. Oh, we're going again? Oh, sunrise is high, they're always on my back. I don't know why I try, it's not like they would ever cut me any slack. You're far too small, you see, well actually I don't. I just want to be free, I guarantee I'll show them that I'm not some joke. Sunrise, sun high, they're always at my side. I can't step out of line, I am confined to match them stride by stride. I'm about to fall, I don't know how long I can last. I'm about to tell them all to heed my call. They can swim and kiss my furry. Yeah. And by the way, Hollypaw, I was going to say face, so there was no reason to cut me off. Ugh, they could not have picked more annoying music. Why is it still playing? The longer you sit here, the longer I have to listen to this. I'm putting a stop to this. Stop that beat. Just stop. Stop. No, hey. Stop those drums. Stop them right now. Okay. All right. Bye.